welcome or welcome back. And we're going to be adding footstep sounds via an animation event. And I've already done it. I'm just going to show you how it's done. All right, and you're going to get something like this. All right. So on the player character here, all right, we have this audio source and the footstep sound, which is right here. Okay, you just drag your sound into there and the volume and all that. And in the code, you that was the private audio source SND. That was that one. And then down here, you say sound get component audio source. You declare it. And then you create a public function and you make sure it's public. That way the animator can see it when it looks for it. And all it does is grab that audio source and plays the sound on it. And also I've got it set to not play on awake or loop. Okay. So in the animator, you go to the animation that you want to put the sound on, which for him is that jogging. Okay. And every time you see, like right here, like you could just play the animation in here, but you want to scroll through it and find every time, boom, right there, his foot hits the ground, boom, right there, his foot hits the ground, boom, right there. Every time his foot hits the ground, at that frame you're on, by dragging it around, add an animation event, which is right here, the events. And all you got to do to add an event at that frame is just click this button when you're on that frame. And you get one of these, an animation event. And for the function, it's going to be the step sound function I showed you. And the object, it wants the script. So you would just take your code, take the player's script, and just drag it on there. And then type in the name of your function. And that's it. These are all the same one, and it's every time a foot connects with the ground. And it's as simple as that. Easy, right? Hey, Bert. And you get that. So, hope you enjoyed it. Hope this helped you out, putting footstep sounds on your character. If you liked it, then, hit the like button. That makes sense, right? And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm trying to put out, content for everybody, and having a subscriber base would help, support the channel. So until next time, peace out.